My name is Matthew. I'm from Scotland and I'm doing my PhD in Aerospace Engineering. So I did my undergrad in mechanical with aeronautics, so it wasn't really space. But then I did my master's project sort of related to a space project, and then I got offered a PhD position on a space topic, so I took that. Why do I love space? Because it's interesting and there's so much more to do with space, and because it's hard as well. Just take any opportunity you can get. Don't be afraid to apply for things, just go for it and you'll find your way. See you at SpaceVrse.